Hey boys and girls, Miss Tigner here for our phonics lesson for today. Our learning target for this week is I can use the ending of words to help me read and understand new words and phrases. Yesterday we began to talk about all this week we've been talking about adding word endings to make new words. We talked about yesterday adding ing to endings of words. And when we add ing, we're talking that the action is happening right now. So here's some words with ing. So with run, when we add ing, we will say running. So right now you are running is how I'm using running in my sentence. My next word is play. When I add ing, I will say playing. You are playing right now. My next word is dance, and when I add ing, I will say dancing. You are dancing right now. Dancing. I have one more word, which is eat, and when I add ing is eating. You are eating right now. Eating. Okay. Today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about word endings with FUL or full. When words end in FUL, it means full of. So my word is colorful. And you see my rainbow right here. So I am saying colorful means full of color. So my rainbow is full of color. It's colorful. So here's some other words with full. So I have my word hope, and when I add FUL, I will say hopeful. I'm saying that I am hopeful. I am full of hope. Hopeful. My next word that I have is wish. When I add FUL, I am saying wishful. And when I say wishful, that means you're full of wishes. Wishful. Okay, boys and girls, I'm now going to talk about our assignment for today. Let's see. So I have a word sort. You can sort these words. So I have sock, napping, colorful, walked, running, hopeful, planted, and dogs. And you're going to sort those words by their word endings. So your word endings, remember, we have S, ED, ING, and full. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see your great work. I hope you have a great day.